Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you how to set a custom resolution for iPad view in PUBG Mobile on Gameloop, and how to remove those annoying black bars for a perfect full screen experience on your laptop. This trick also works on desktop systems. Here's the important part. Select any custom resolution in Gameloop. I usually use 1440 by 1080 because my LCD is 1080p. Using the same height as your LCD makes the view much clearer. If you're not sure which resolution to use, try searching on Google or ask ChatGPT for the correct resolution. If you have 1080p LCD, you can use my resolution 1440 by 1080. Once you've set the Gameloop resolution, now it's time to set up custom resolution in Windows to remove those annoying black bars. For that, you'll need a tool called Custom Resolution Utility. Let's go ahead and download it. Once it's downloaded, extract the files and open the tool. Click on Add button and enter the same resolution you used in Gameloop settings. Make sure to set the correct refresh rate. My LCD has a 60 Hz refresh rate, so I set it to 60 Hz. Now that the resolution is added, you need to move it to the top using the arrow button, just like this. Once done, a restart is recommended because sometimes the resolutions don't get applied immediately. After the restart, you'll need to open the Registry editor to make your screen full width. You can open Registry editor by typing regedit in the Run dialog or by searching Registry editor in the Start menu. Once it's open, navigate to the following path. You can copy it from the description or pause the video and follow along manually to this path. Here you need to be very careful. As you can see, I have 3 folder keys. You might have the same or even more. Open each folder, then go into the 00 folder, and inside that, open the another 00 folder. There you'll find a key named Scaling. Change its value to 3. Make sure to do this for every folder key you have. Double check that you've edited the correct scaling key in each folder before exiting the Registry editor. You need to restart your PC again for the changes to take effect. After the restart, go to Display Settings and change the resolution. Check if you're getting a full widescreen. If you are, that means the settings worked. If not, there might be a mistake. Double check every setting carefully or feel free to contact me on Discord. The link is given below. If everything worked, go ahead and launch the game. Just make sure to use the same in-game resolution. For me, that was 1440 by 1080. Use the same resolution as your Windows resolution every time you play to keep the full widescreen effect. Enjoy the iPad view without black borders on your laptop. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified about new videos. See you next time.